Hey gang, welcome back to another video. Now, one of the most challenging things when setting up a haunt is finding creative ways to hide things like speakers and lights. Now, lights have gotten smaller and easier to hide over the years, but the same really can't be said for speakers. Or at least that's what I thought. I recently received an email from a subscriber named Phil who suggested I look into an alternative to traditional speakers. And once I had a better understanding of how they worked, I immediately knew how I'd apply them to a haunt setting. So let's get to it.
This little device is called an exciter, and it works by vibrating the surface that it's mounted to, creating a nearly invisible speaker. So if it can turn nearly any flat surface into a speaker, I thought, why not a tombstone? But before I can start, I'm going to need to do some prep work, starting with soldering some speaker wire. When attaching speaker wire, I like to strip the ends of my wire about an inch so that I can thread the stranded wire through each terminal and then wrap it around itself to ensure a really solid connection. This is also great if you find that you struggle with keeping your wires attached as you attempt to solder them to the terminals. So after wrapping each terminal with its appropriate wire, I grabbed my soldering iron and some rosin core solder and got to making the connections more permanent. To create a good solder joint, it's better to heat the wires or the terminal and then apply the solder to it, than to heat the solder on the tip of your soldering iron and smear it onto your connection. By doing it this way, the solder is wicked into the wire strands and creates a much stronger joint. Now that the soldering is out of the way, I can show you just how this exciter works. When it's not touching anything, the sound is almost imperceivable. But when I rest it on the back of this tombstone, the surface is vibrated, which produces the sound. So not only would this work on a tombstone, but you could turn any number of flat objects into a speaker, like a wall panel, a window, or even mount it inside of a piece of cosplay armor. So now that you've seen it in action, let's permanently attach it with a few screws. There's a piece of VHB adhesive tape on the inside face of the exciter that would provide a really high bond to the surface of the tombstone, but I like the idea of being able to relocate it in the future. So these screws will get the job done for now. Because the exciter doesn't have any kind of enclosure, I'm going to need to make some sort of weather-resistant housing, and for that, I'm going to use this takeout soup container. I just need to trim it up. That's better. Now I can use some hot glue to secure it to the back of the tombstone, and this tombstone speaker is done.
Now, while these won't replace your larger traditional speakers, hopefully their tiny size helps you to come up with some interesting ideas of ways to place speakers in places that you'd never thought before. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, but most importantly, go make something.